So as you see, is walking you through trying to get you to tell you about your EIN, what you need to do to get that. Then it tells you to open up your bank account. At this point, you click on the link. I have a bank account that I am referring a lot of people to. It's easy to get. It's an online bank account, but you can go and you can deposit money from an ATM like you would if you walked up. You'll have a banker that you can call 24/7. So you have some of those banks where you are it's the weekend and the bank might be closed and something happened with your account. Well, you'll have a banker that's you 24/7. You don't have to worry about that part. The next thing it does is talk about Legal Shield. If you're having a business, you might as well protect it. So I'll give you a link to go into Legal Shield. And as you see, it talks about for the small business. They have other ones on there, but the main one that link sends you to is the small business. Then this gets into your tax. So again, nobody's going to look the same because this is going to be the way your business is structured. So it'll talk about how the tax strategies. It'll talk about your asset protection. It'll talk about your investment planning. And again, all of this is for your trust and your holding company. So when you go in and you go through this GPT, you're going in to fix how your business's trust will be ran. So again, this is still talking about your financial part. This is the financial part of it. Then it goes to talk about your trustees and the communication you have. If you have a board, and so if you go in and say you have a board, then it'll talk about how to set that up. It talk about dealing with different licenses and permits that you might have to have, and then you might end up having a partner. So it tells you how to deal with that part. Okay, now this gets to the part where we're getting ready to go over and it'll build you out a website. It doesn't matter where you want to, what site you want to build it on. You just tell it and it'll build you out the website. So this is the stage saying that you are finished with the planning part, and it's gonna make sure. So you go through. It gives you all the tips for maintaining it. And then it tells you what you can do to help your growth of your company. And this is okay. This is the long term resources and networking building opportunities that you can have. So this again will all be based upon where you stay. So it's gonna go over review practices and legacy planning steps. So it's gonna go again. This is all. This is will be based upon your part. It goes into additional and legacy enhancement practices.